Hello friends, in this video let us discuss about question 9 of exercise 8.1 chapter 8 trigonometry. Question: in triangle ABC right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, then find the value of, first question, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Solution: let us consider the right angle triangle given in the question, right angled at B. They have given us tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. We know tan is opposite by adjacent. So using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. By substituting the values, root 3 the whole square plus 1 square is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, which gives us AC to be 2 units. So let us find out sin A, sin C, cos A, cos C value. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 2. Sin C is opposite by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. And cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 2. Now let us consider the first question. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Let us substitute the values. Sin A is 1 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2, plus cos A is root 3 by 2, sin C is root 3 by 2. By solving the equation, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4, plus root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 2 into 2 is 4. We get 3 by 4. So adding the numerator, 1 plus 3 is 4 by 4, which gives us 1. Now consider the second question. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Substituting the values, cos A is root 3 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2, minus sin A is 1 by 2 and sin C is root 3 by 2. We get root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, that is equal to 0. Thank you.